Connect to the same network and enable SAMBA. Open the Wi-Fi Drive app. Navigate to Monitor Center, Network Wi-Fi. Confirm that your device is connected to the same LAN WLAN network as the other devices you wish to share with. Once confirmed, enable the same service within the app. Set up the mounting point. Load the mounting point according to the specific device you are using. Enter the IP address of your Wi-Fi Drive device. Fill in the required fields, including the admin account name and password. Complete the setup to access your shared files.